Load some bales? Let's load some more. I hope I don't break any of them on camera. Enjoy the mowing, I hope it doesn't bounce too much. And welcome back everyone! Today we are gonna bring home some silage bales. I'm bringing home few, like 1, 2, sometimes 3 loads of bales from the field to the home. We don't leave them at the field because of the birds and the deer breaking the bales. And yeah, before I brought bales home with my trailer, but it's a small one. I only can put 8 bales on it, and it's tight squeeze. It's quite easy to break the grab. And today I borrowed my neighbor's big trailer. There I can put 14 bales easy. That's a bit there. And total we have made 130 bales. We mowed one more field, 5 hectares, so got a bit extra, but it's still low. We needed 250. Yeah, 120 bales short. But can't do nothing about it. Right now we are mowing some hay. The hay fields are really bad shape too, but there are some smaller fields between the forests and shady spots and area, and in wet fields, but used to be wet in the spring. But there are some grass on them, so I do go around and ask people if I can mow their fields, small fields. I got 3 extra fields, like half hectare, and 2 hectares. A bit away from the farm, but can't do nothing about it. And there's no rain in the forecast. So the long-time forecast it shows in the middle of July some week of rain, but at that time everything will be dead. Like the grass will be dead, and all the grass and the crops. So we definitely need rain now. Not just our area, it's basically the whole country is drought. So, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. This is bad, but let's focus on the good stuff. Let's focus on the bales we have right now. Let's bring them home and show you how I load them. I hope I don't break any of them on camera, but that's most of the time when something breaks. From camera, so yeah. Hey, me forgot to put you on the roof. We load some bales? Let's load some more.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the farm. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Feast is the spot to take the blues away. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright. It's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. Yeah, we're chilling out here, ladies in the rear, our feet in the water, our top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. Girl, I can hook you up. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love bumping out of the bar. crazy nights, figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch, me looking over your shoulder just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you, only God knew about. All those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me.
And I'm back. We're mowing one hayfield, like 2 hectares. It's not the best shape and it has trees in it, but the grass is some places really thick, some places really big. So I'm mowing right now this one field, and then see there's trees in it, some fresh trees, some big grass here. Oh, I hope there's no rocks. But yeah, in hopes of make some hay at least. Field. It's not the best grass, but it's grass. Right now, we can choose. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting summer, not to say more. After this field I have like 4 more fields. Those are a lot smaller, or less than a hectare, but together there's something. Yeah, let's get mowing. Right now I'm in one triangular field, and now I'm gonna put you on the roof and show you what we have to work with. How not nice fields we have, but yeah, enjoy the mowing. I hope it doesn't bounce too much.
We've been fighting forever, gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, lost outside of nowhere. A stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff one, it says a worn out sign, and the diner's name is California Dreams.
Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list, girl, you can skip this funny business. Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
And here we are on the last field for today. It's kind of a downhill field. Goes down, like way down. It's like I think it was like 0.6 hectares, like 1.5 acres. Yeah, this is the last field for today. Tomorrow we are gonna bale some hay on a different field, which I mowed a couple of days ago. A bit more than a couple of days. Yeah, we'll see how many bales we get there, but yeah. Trying to be positive, but yeah, it's quite hard. So I'm gonna mow this field and then go home to rest, because I'm tired. This has been a long day. So probably see you tomorrow when we start baling hay. Bye.